Hi, it's Heather. Welcome. Today we're doing a 5-minute standing yoga stretch break. Let's start by standing feet hips distance, up nice and tall, head over heart, heart over hips, and send both hands forward. Palms face forward. Inhale. Place a little bend in the knees, sweep the fingertips down, around, and up. And then go ahead and grab a hold of your left wrist with your right hand. One more inhale, just to lift the chest. And then exhale, lean to the right. Inhale back to center, release the wrists and just switch, grabbing a hold of your right wrist with your left hand. And on your exhale, lean to the left. Inhale back to center, release, and then face the palms outwards, sweep them behind your back, interlace your fingers. Roll the shoulders back, open up the chest towards the sky, and then place a generous bend in the knees. Exhale to fold forward. You can keep a micro bend in the elbows here. And then release the fingers. Float the arms and the hands down. Straighten through the legs if that feels good for you. If not, you can keep them bent. And grab opposite elbows. From here, you can sway a little bit side to side. And then release the elbows, inhale, come to a halfway lift. So hands to shins, spine parallel to the floor or the ceiling. And then place a bend in your right knee. Right fingertips come to the floor. Inhale, sweep the left hand up to the sky. And then place a bend in the left knee just to help yourself up to standing. Open twist to the left side. And step this left foot back. Line it up, front heel to back arch alignment. Straighten through the front leg. Bump the right hip back. Shift forward and then down. Just stacking those shoulders once more. Inhale, come back up, and then reverse your triangle by sending the right fingers up and over. Left fingertips just come to your back leg. Send both arms parallel again, and then just place a bend in the front knee. Step it up to the top of your mat. Both arms reach up, and then flow all the way back down to your fold. Inhale, halfway lift, hands to shins, spine straight. Place a bend in your left knee this time. Left fingertips come to the floor and inhale, sweep this right hand up to the sky. And then place a bend in the right knee. Help yourself up to standing, open twist to the right. And then step this right foot back. So same thing, straighten through the front leg, bump the left hip back this time, shift forward, and then down. Shoulders stacking, nice and strong. You can always bring your hand to your shin, but as long as you're not leaning your weight into your leg. And then inhale, come back up. Reverse, send this left fingertips up and over. And then bend through the front knee, step it all the way back up. Fingertips reach for the sky. Big stretch. And then exhale, hands come to heart. Take one big deep breath with me. Inhale fully. And then exhale, sigh it out. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick stretch. If you love free yoga every single week, make sure to subscribe to the channel and have a good one. I'll see you next time, and namaste.